Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. See, again I am back to teach you SST Standard 4, Lecture 2 of Chapter 9, and the chapter name is Agriculture and Minerals. So in first videos I have taught about the agriculture and about the types of crops, the seasonal croppings also. Like we have two types of crops, food crops and the cash crops. And the seasonal crops, two main seasonal crops is Rabi crop and Kharif crops. So we are talking about here right now about the food crops, and the food crops examples like rice, wheat, pulses and millets and maize. So these all are the main food crops of India. So first of all we will talk about the rice, that in which states it can grow. Or before starting these all topic, you can see here one map behind your chapter, the food crops grown in India, like rice, wheat, millet. You can see the symbol is also there. The green color, it is in rice. The slanting line, it is wheat, and again the opposite slanting line, it is millet. So these all are the source that in which states and how many populations are there, how many crop populations are there in states in India. So about the rice. Rice is one of the most important food crops grown in India. Rice is what? It is the most important food which grow in India. It grows well in a hot and humid climate with plenty of rainfall. Now the rice, it grows well when a hot or a humid climate, means on a very humid climate is there, and like plenty of rainfall is there. So in that season we can grow crop very well. Some other states are there where the crops are grown, like the West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala are the major rice producing states in India. These all are the major states where we can find the rice producing in India. These all are the states of the rice producing in India. In Punjab and Haryana, rice is grown with the help of irrigation. Irrigation means with the help of dam and canals water. They are supposed to conserve the water, and then after they can use that water to grow the crops. So in Haryana and Punjab they use the tube wells. I have you remember that in last chapter we are talking about. So these two they just use this Haryana and Punjab, we can use the tube wells and we can use the irrigation water, stored water to grow the rice crops. Next is about the wheat crops. It is also food crops. Now, wheat is the staple food in northern and northwest India. Wheat is the important food in northern and northwest India. It grows well in cool, dry climate. Wheat is what? It can grow in the very cool climates, very cool and very dry climates. Punjab, these all are the major states of wheat producing, like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. These all are the major wheat producing states. Please you can underline these all states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are the major wheat producing states. Next is millets. Millets is also food crops. In millets it can include grains like rajma, jowar and ragi. So you can underline millets, like millets include grains such as bajra, jowar and ragi. Millets include grains such as Bajra, Jowar and Ragi. So these all are the states where it can produce the millets, producing the millets. So please underline this again line, that they are grown in, the millets, they are grown in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Tamil Nadu. These all are the states where millets can grow. So again I am repeating, from till whole millets you can underline this important part. So millets like Bajra, Jowar and Ragi. So these all are the grown in states Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Tamil Nadu. Next, our food crop is pulses. Pulses like, you can, these also underline. So pulses include lentils. Lentils means like dals such as moong, masoor, adhar and chana. These all are called pulses. Please keep in your mind. So these all are called pulses. So they are grown in various states in India. The pulses like dals like moong, masoor, arhar and chana, these all are the pulses, and these all are grown in the various states in India. So about the food crops, one type of crop is completed. I have explained the rice, wheat, millet and pulses. So we will go through the second types of crops, which is cash crops. So before starting the cash crop topics, we can see a map. You can see the cotton, jute, spices, sugarcane and tea. These all are the given in your map, and it can show that in which states we can find these all are the crops. So cash crops are crops grown to be sold in the market. So cash crop is what? It is a crops like we can sold these all crops in the market, directly in the market. They help farmers to earn money. With the help of what you can understood, it's a cash crops. Maybe it's very costly crops. These all are the very costly crops. So the farmers, these crops, they help the farmers to earn money. Because maybe it's very costly. That's why these all are the crops. It can help the farmers to earn money. The most important cash crop in India are, please underline it from there, from the most important cash crops in India. The most important cash crops in India are sugarcane, jute, cotton and oilseeds. These all are the main cash crops like sugarcane, jute, cotton and oilseeds. Some large farms called plantation. So some large farms are there, they are called plantations. Means the plants they can grow and then they are used to grow single crops only. So some farmers is what? They can grow only single crops only. Like only single crops like cottons or maybe like oilseeds, so they can earn the money. Such crops are called plantation crops. Plantation crops means what? The crops which can grow single crops. The crops which they can grow, the farmers can grow a single crops. So that crops are called plantation crops. So here are some example of plantation crops that they can grow a single crops. Like in India we have tea, coffee and rubber are the main plantation crops. These all are the main plantation crops which they can grow a single crops only. And these all are also cash crops where it can help the farmers to earn money. And these all we can see these all in hilly areas like tea, coffee plantation. It is mostly in hilly areas. About these we will go to the sugarcane, jute, cotton, oil seeds, and many more are there. Tea, coffee, spices, that we will see in the next classes. Till that, here please read the chapter and please give your quality time in your study. Take care of yourself, your family, and please enjoy the online classes. Till that, thank you, have a nice day, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.